Hello, hello, my dear friends. Good morning once again. 3 June, 3 June, very special day. For me, it's my birthday, day today. Thank you so much, guys, for your so much care and comfort. Comforting messages coming from you, well wishes coming from you, from various aspects of lives. It's funny how social media or internet can connect us in such a way that we wish each other well, even though we have never met. We care so much about you. I mean, you start to feel the comfort um, from distance. These are the people that you have never met. These are the people you have never seen. You don't even know if these are human beings, but you believe and trust that these are human beings. Guys, thank you so very much for those messages. I think from Harrison and Molly, first people to send me messages. Harrison in the UK and Molly right there in Centurion, Pretoria. 1 a.m. Wow. So much overwhelmed by your messages. And guys on Instagram and Facebook, I don't want to talk. Botswana people, I still see and appreciate your love. Thank you so very much. Today, I am here once again just to give you a quick update on these markets. I believe that since it's a special day for me, it should be a TP day as well. You understand? Yes, it should be a TP day for me as well. I'm very much motivated. I'm very much eager to see what's coming on today's markets. Markets are open. However, the US markets are still closed, but the candlesticks are moving. Right, let's quickly jump into it. My dear friends, if you are new, welcome to Bonang Financial Institute, BFITV YouTube channel. This is an official broadcasting channel for Bonang Financial Institute. I am Prophet Bonang, the founder of Bonang Financial Institute, right there where we offer courses, which is our lifetime mentorship package that guides and helps you become one of the most profitable traders. Without wasting your time, allow me to jump into it. Right, guys, looking at the market, let's start with NASDAQ. Yesterday, after the New York update, this market pushed very up there, and I took these buys. Right, that TP was smashed successfully there. Right, today we see the market slipping above that zone of 30,694, and there is a key zone of 30,670, 30,660. And we also have a buy TP for the day, which is 30,807. Previous closing price, PRV 30,513.86. And then the key zone, which is our today's support, 30,372.96 right there. We're seeing the market printing what I call usually this year for me is a sign for a strong resistance. That means that TP might not be the factor or happening now during London session. That TP might happen at a later stage. I would love to see a discount to buy, right? So basically that's what I would do. I wouldn't buy there. I would literally look for sales. I don't mind turning this whole area into a selling zone because for me, if I go on a micro, that thing is nothing. Even if it goes to that buy TP, I'll be selling. That's how I see it, and I'll be targeting this low. We can see that around 1 a.m. this market tried to attempt to hit the previous close. That's a sign alone that these markets are going to come down, right? The question is what time? Nobody knows. Jumping into US 30, beautiful stuff. TP was smashed yesterday successfully. The Monday take profit of 51,400 was smashed successfully. Market closed above that range. Our key zone for the day is 51,375, which is a resistance. Our support is 50,835, and then our PRV is around 51,084 right there. The CV, the value of the day is 51,313.14 right there. Looking at this market, like I said on NASDAQ, that's a printing for a resistance. CV is next to the key zone. So where we are sitting there, that's the last number, that's the last price should be already on the shorts running towards the 51,000, the PRV towards the key zone, and then buy back again. Right, this could be an issue where the market could still even ignore that TP and go down further and further and further. I hope this makes sense. So I'm expecting a sell-off literally on these indices. US 30 and Nasdaq, I'm expecting a sell-off. One of the most challenging things in your trading journey is likely going to be capital. We have partnered with Commit Capital to help traders in their journey. I have worked with Commit Capital. I have been funded with Commit Capital. I have received various payouts from Commit Capital. Therefore, it's safe to literally recommend you to jump into Commit Capital. Commit Capital is a prop firm that helps traders with funding, unleash your trading potential, expand your funded account to an impressive $1 million US, take your trading to the next level, right? 8 hours, quick and reliable payouts, right? Maximize your earnings, 85%. You can go up to $1 million with Commit Capital. All right, secure funding in 3 simple steps. Kickstart your trading career with Commit Capital by following these easy 3 steps. Accept the challenge, complete the verification, trade with real capital. Basically, that's how it goes. Commit Capital is partnered with 2 regulated brokers, which is RCG Markets and Space Markets, right? Right, Commit Capital offers instant funding accounts up to $2,500, not that much though, and also 50,000 rands. Commit Capital funds in 2 currencies, rands, which is the South African rands, South African currency, and US dollar, the US dollar, right? They have got instant funding, 1 phase challenge, up to $200,000, up to 4 million rands. They've got 2 phase, which is up from 25,000 rands up to 4 million rands, from 1,250 to 200,000. They've got also classic 2 phase all the way to 200,000 and also 4 million rand capital. Right, you want to use the code BFI30 for a 30% discount on all Commit Capital challenges. BFI30 gives you 30% discount. Right, if you want to learn more about prop firm trading, you want to stick to this YouTube channel. It will help you, guide you also on how to pass these prop firm challenges. Right, as for gold, jumping into gold has not yet triggered our buy since yesterday, but we are almost getting there, which is around 4,428 right there. I'll be taking that buying back into my sell zone for the day, which is 4,492, TP1 4,462, 4,432, and 4,402. So right, I'll buy around 4,228 back into my selling zone for the day, right? And then we see how that goes. Other than that, guys, I've got nothing much to say. Kindly note, whatever said or done within this video is not anyway a signal to buy or sell any financial instrument. You want to make sure that you do your own due diligence research. This is not in any way financial advice. Whatever you do with this information is entirely up to you. Whether you win or lose, we are not entitled to those. Do this or whatever you shall do at your own risk. Right, my dear friends, thank you so much. That's the update for 3 June. And once again, happy birthday to me. I would appreciate if I hear from you on YouTube as well to see if we've got a good and strong community across all aspects. TikTok people, thank you so much. I see you there. Almost 45,000 people on TikTok. Much appreciated as well. All right, thank you guys. See you on the next one, which is the New York opening update. We shall see how these markets are going to be like. All right, you have yourself a wonderful day and wishing you the best in the markets today. Bye-bye.